Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Basic. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. And this class I am taking from the syllabus of annual term, shortened syllabus of annual term, and this is our lecture 4. And our today's class, depending on our today's class, homework is given, that is also homework 4, and this homework is homework topic is the topic that is our CW today. It means that homework and our today's class are the same question. Okay, dear students, so at first you will try to understand which question I will solve in our today's class, and that question will be your homework. Dear students, today I am going to solve question 13 from exercise 2.2, and that is our today's topic. Okay, dear students, let us see question 13. Question 13 is a creative question of exercise 2.2. So let us see question 13 at first. At the same rate of compound profit, our principal will amount taka 19,500 after 1 year and taka 20,280 after 2 years. First question A, write down the formula for profit. Second question B, find out the principal. Third question C, find the difference between simple profit and compound profit after 3 years at the same rate for the principal. Okay, dear students, so we have to solve these 3 questions depending on the given stream, as this is a creative question. At first I have to solve question A. So let us see how can we solve question A. Solution, and I am writing here A. Dear students, question A, see the question carefully. Write down the formula for profit. It means that we need to write the formula for profit. Dear students, you know 2 types of profit discussed in this chapter. 2 types of profit we have learned in chapter 2. One is simple profit, another is compound profit. Dear students, as it is not mentioned here the formula for the principal profit or the compound profit, which one we need to write. So we think we have to write both the formula. We have to write both the formula for the simple profit and compound profit. So we can write in case of simple profit, in case of simple profit, we can write here profit. We denote profit by I equal to P R N. I equal to P R N. Dear students, when we will write any formula using the symbol, then we need to explain the meaning of the symbol here. So we can write here P means principal. P means principal. R means rate of profit, and N means time, and I have written here profit, I have denoted by I. If you want to, you can write I means simple profit here, simple profit. Okay, dear students, so I have written here the formula for simple profit. In case of simple profit, I have written the formula for profit. In case of compound profit, now I will write the formula for profit. Compound profit, in case of compound profit. So we can write here compound profit. Dear students, you know compound principal means P into 1 plus R whole to the power N, And if we want to determine the profit, if we want to determine the compound profit, then we have to subtract the principal from the compound principal. So we have to subtract P. So this is the formula for compound profit. Here also we can write the meaning. We can write the meaning of the symbol here. P means principal. R means rate of compound profit. Rate of compound profit. And N means time. N means time. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of question A. Dear students, as I have completed question A, now I will go to question B. What is question B? Now see question B at first. What is question B? Now see here. Question B. Find out the principal. Find out the principal. We need to determine the principal from the information in the STEAM, given in the STEAM. We need to determine the principal. To determine the principal, at first we can consider the principal. Let the principal is taka P and the rate of compound profit or the rate of profit is R percent. Rate of profit is R percent and principal is P. We have taken this. Now we can write here. Before writing this, we can read the STEAM again. What is given here? At the same rate of compound profit, a principal will amount taka 19,500 after 1 year. It means that after the completion of 1 year, we will get 19,500 taka. So we can write here at the end of first year, compound principal. That will be equal to P into 1 plus R only. As we know, compound principal is P into 1 plus R whole to the power n. As this is at the end of first year, so value of n will be 1. As it is 1, if you want you can write or not, both are correct. So if you want you can show there 1. If you don't show, that will be also correct. Okay, dear students, so we can go to the STEAM again here and taka 20,280 after 2 years. So we can write the compound principal at the end of 2 years and at the end of 2 years or second year, we can write second year, at the end of second year, compound principal. That will be equal to P into 1 plus R. In case of formula, we know P into 1 plus R whole to the power n. As I have written here second year, so we have to write the value of n is 2. Okay, dear students, so from the STEAM we can say this compound principal will be equal to taka 19,500 and this compound principal after the second year will be equal to taka 20,280. Okay dear students, so we can write here as per question. As per question. Or we can write according to the condition. We can write here P into 1 plus R equal to 19,500. Not 1000, that is 19,500. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. And another condition, that is P into 1 plus R whole square, that will be equal to 20,280. And we can give, this is equation 2. This is equation 2. So now solving this equation 1 and 2, we can determine the value of P and R. But in question B, we need to determine only the value of P, it means principal. So we can apply a technique here to solve these two questions. It will be easier for you. So you need to remember here that you have to divide equation 2. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. We get, what we will get? We can write equation 2 at first. Left side of 2 is P into 1 plus R whole square, and left side of equation 1 is P into 1 plus R. That is equal to, here right side of 2 is 20,280 and here is 19,500. Okay dear students, so now you can notice here this P and P will vanish each other, and here is 1 plus R whole square and here is 1 plus R. So if we divide, we will get the value of 1 plus R, that is equal to 20,280 divided by 19,500. This is equation 3. Suppose this is equation 3. Now using this value of 1 plus R in equation 1, we can determine the value of P, as we need to determine only the value of P. R is not needed here, so we will not determine the value of R here. So just put the value of 1 plus R in equation 1, you will get the value of P. So we can write here using equation 3 in equation 1. In equation 1 we get, what we will get here? So in place of 1 plus R, we can write 20,280 divided by 19,500. So this will be P into 20,280 divided by 19,500. That is equal to 19,500. Now if we take this fraction in the right side, then we will get only P in the left side, and that value of right side will be the value of P. Therefore we can write or P equal to, we can write 19,500 multiply by this fraction. We have to take the reciprocal as we are changing the side. So this will be 19,500 and here will be 20,280. Okay dear students, so now if you multiply 19,500 and 19,500, then divide the product by 20,280, you will get the value of P. So we can write therefore P equal to, if you calculate here, you will get 18,750. 18,750. Dear students, what is P here? P is the principal we have taken. Principal is taka P, and we need to determine the principal in question B. So we can write here therefore the required principal is taka 18,750. Okay, dear students, so this is our answer for question B. I hope you have understood the solution of question B. Now I will solve question C. Okay, dear students, so now see what is question C. Question C is find the difference between simple profit and compound profit. Find the difference between simple profit and compound profit after 3 years at the same rate for the principal. Find the difference between simple profit and compound profit after 3 years at the same rate for the principal. Dear students, it means that we need to determine the difference between simple profit and compound profit for the same principal and for the same rate for 3 years. Okay, dear students, to determine this, at first we have to determine the simple profit after 3 years, and then we have to determine the compound profit after 3 years for the same rate of profit and for the same principal. And then if we take the difference, that difference will be the required difference. Okay, dear students, so let us see the solution of question C. For the solution of question C, we can write here from B we get the principal is taka 1875, or we can write principal P equal to taka 18,750 and from equation 3 of B we get 1 plus R is equal to, dear students, to determine the simple profit and compound profit we need the principal and we need the rate of profit, it means value of R, but we don't know what is the rate of profit. Just we know 1 plus R equal to this fraction in part B. So using this we can determine the rate of profit. So determine the rate of profit, that is equal to 1 plus R equal to 20280 divided by 19500, or we can write here R equal to 20280 19500 minus 1. We can determine here, that is 20280 minus 19500. If you calculate here 19500, that will be equal to 780. If we subtract, we will get here 780 divided by 19500. So if you cut this fraction, it means if you divide 19500 by 780, it will be 1 by 25. Calculate here, you will get the value of R is 1 by 25. No need to express this R into percentage, as only the value of R is needed here. Okay, dear students, so using this value of R, we can determine the simple profit and compound profit easily. So we can write here now given time n equal to 3 years, simple profit. Now simple profit I equal to simple profit I equal to P or N. So put the value of P. Here the value of P is taka 18750. Value of R is 1/25 and value of N is 3. If you calculate here, you will get here taka. If you calculate here, you will get here taka 2250. 2250. This amount is simple profit. Now we need to determine the compound profit. So we can write here again compound profit. That will be equal to P into 1 plus R whole to the power N minus P. That is equal to, you know the value of P, that is taka 18750 into 1 plus 1/25 multiply by whole to the power 3 and minus P means minus taka 18750. Okay dear students, now if you calculate, you will get here 21 taka. From this term you will get taka 21041.2 minus taka 18750. You can check the calculation. At first you can calculate here, this 1/25 means 0.04. 1/25 means 0.04. This will be 91, not 41. If you calculate here, this will be 91. 21091.2. This is 1/25 means 0.04. Add 1, this will be 1.04, and then multiply 1.04 3 times, and then multiply the product by 18750. You will get 21091.2. Then subtract 18750. What will be the answer here? Taka. Now subtract here. Subtract 18750. So you will get 2341.2. 2341.2. So this is our compound profit. Dear students, what we need to determine? We need to determine the difference between simple profit and compound profit. Dear students, now if you notice here the simple profit is 2250. Here the compound profit is 2341.2. Here the compound profit is larger than the simple profit. So if we subtract the simple profit from the compound profit, we will get the required difference. So we can write here, therefore the required difference is that is equal to taka 2341.2 minus 2250. So you will get the answer here, that will be equal to taka 91.2. If you calculate here, you will get here taka 91.2. 91.2. Okay dear students, so we can write the difference between, therefore the difference between simple profit and compound profit is 91.2. Therefore the difference between simple profit and compound profit is taka 91.2. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of C also. Dear students, this question is given for your homework. This is your homework 4. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely. Okay, dear students, so keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.